Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that yesterday. As I posted already in a short video, we know that the Fed raised the interest rate by 25 basis points, and Bitcoin continues to go up. It was already above 24,000 US dollar per Bitcoin. Then the second thing I would like to talk about, that according to a survey, 82% of millionaires ask their financial advisor to put crypto in their portfolio. And the third news is all about that on the 1st of February, the Lebanon Central Bank announced that the Lebanon pound lost 90% of its value. This is pretty significant, to be honest with you. So guys, all this in today's video, so let's start it. And if you would like to keep yourself up to date in blockchain and crypto, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Couple of short videos every single day, and between Monday and Friday you're getting these longer videos as well. So I keep you up to date. Very simple, subscribe button all. That's the only thing you have to do, and then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Hit the like button if you appreciate this content, what I'm making. And now let's move on to the market. Well, where we can see that Bitcoin is basically up 3% in the last 24 hours, Ethereum about 5.5%. So Bitcoin is 23,816 at the moment, while Ethereum 1,671. When we're looking at the top gainers, we see pretty good gains. Look at this. Loopring in the top 100, leading with 20, actually Optimism leading with 24%, that 23%, almost 24%, and Convex Finance up 20%. Do we have losers? Not really. So that was a short one. And when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we could see actually one thing I'm looking at here is this: when the 200-day moving average will be crossed by the 50-day moving average. So the 50 days coming from on the daily, coming from under and crossing the 200-day moving average, because this is a gold cross, which is a bullish sign usually. So this can, happen kind of soon, put it this way. But another thing, when we're looking at here the 4-hour chart, we can see it better than yesterday. We had the press conference, and after the press conference, we started to go up again, and we have reached actually 24,262 US dollars. So far so good, and this is the first thing what I would like to talk about. So right, yesterday we had the FOMC meeting, the first one in this year, and everybody, 99%, according to surveys, hope that it will be 25 basis point. And yes, it was. And this is what the majority thought. So now this wasn't really the question. This was kind of priced in. The question was, what else is Jerome Powell saying? And basically, he said a couple of good things. He were talking in the usual gloomy way, but actually at the very beginning, at the press conference, you could see Bitcoin going down, and it went under 23,000. But then when he continued, and there were the journalists asking questions, then he said a couple of good things as well. So for instance, we can now say that I think the first time that the disinflationary process has started. So this is actually a crucial thing, and we see it really in the goods prices, said Jerome Powell. Which means the progress, what they're doing to bring down inflation towards 2%, because that's their goal. He was very strict about that. Is actually working. At least the numbers show that, okay? And we do know that there will be another calculation for the CPI, the Consumer Price Index. So actually maybe the March numbers, the ones which coming from, I mean, the February numbers which coming out in March could look even better. By the way, the next CPI data will come on the 14th of February, because this is what we'll be looking at. So this is another important thing which can have an impact on the market. And so anyway, so this was good. Then also Powell noted that ongoing rate rises would still be appropriate as the Federal Reserve attempts to bring inflation back to 2% target level. So yeah, still doing that, what they plan to do. But, you know, disinflation is very important. By the way, disinflation, you know, refers to a slowdown in the rate of increase of general price levels. It's very important. It's still then, you know, prices going up, but smoothly, as you know, opposed to deflation. Deflation is just not good, simply, where, you know, general prices, you know, level of goods and services decrease when the value for money could increase. And first it sounds good, but no, this is usually bad. So you would like to have a slight inflation. So this is the goal for 2%. And so disinflation would be the ideal. And now, according to Jerome Powell, we can see the first signs of this, you know, this shape forming at the moment. And because of this, the market reacted pretty positive. Of course, we cannot go up forever, so there will be a correction sooner or later. But after the press conference, things still looking good. Right. Okay. Now the second topic I would like to mention is, according to a survey, 82% of millionaires asked their financial advisor to put cryptocurrency in their portfolio. So we can see that more and more wealthy people want some crypto in their portfolio. So according to a survey which was made by TREZOR Group, and this is an asset management firm, 82% of millionaires in the survey wants actually crypto in their portfolio. So they're asking their financial advisor to do it. And actually, TREZOR Group manage 12 billion US dollar in asset. So this is what they have under management. And the clients who were asked have assets between 1 million and 5 million US dollar. And yes, 82% of them actually want crypto in their portfolio. And if you just calculate when this comes to Bitcoin, because yes, the majority probably wants Bitcoin. This is the most well-known and most accepted by institutional investors as well. But if you think about it, now more than 19 million Bitcoin is out, and it will be just 21 million. So just think about how many millionaires or actually billionaires out there. It's not one single Bitcoin for everybody. And of course, we do know that there are a lot of Bitcoin lost by Satoshi Nakamoto. I mean, not using it, right? It's somewhere there, and but not in the circulation. And we do know that whales hold a lot of Bitcoins, so it's not like one Bitcoin for everybody kind of thing. Which means when they actually wake up, not everybody, simply because of the limit, the supply limit, not everybody can have actually one single Bitcoin who is a millionaire or billionaire. Right, and now the next topic is all about the Lebanon pound, which actually on the 1st of February lost 90% of its value. That's crazy. Well, the central bank chief announced in Lebanon that actually their currency, which is the Lebanon pound, lost 90% of its value on the 1st of February officially. Well, the rate, it used to be 1,507 Lebanon pound equals $1 US. And this was on for 25 years, but the official rate. But now they moved it to 15,000 Lebanon pound equals with $1 US. But it's getting worse. As you can see it here in the article, at some exchanges or at the parallel market, you pay 57,000 per $1, and that's crazy. So the pound has lost basically 97% of its value since it began to split from the 1,507 rate in 2019. So actually it happened really in the last couple of years, and now they officially had to move really this rate because this just didn't work anymore. And inflation is a huge problem, as you can see in many countries. It's hits harder than in other countries. And just like look at Lebanon, you look Venezuela, Argentina, Zimbabwe, Turkey. The list goes on, right? And for many people, this is the wealth they have accumulated over the years. And this is just inflating like crazy. We do know that the US dollar is also, there's the Fed fighting against inflation, but that inflation is nothing to compare to 90%, for example. That's unheardable. So because of this, people looking for a solution, and Bitcoin, it could be one of them. But it's very important that you have to do your own homework, because cryptocurrency involves risks. So what you do know, that your fiat currency is inflating. This is for sure. The value of your fiat will, will be less and less. It doesn't matter what fiat currency you're holding. It's a huge difference. You're holding US dollar or Lebanon pound, obviously, but bottom line, it's inflating. So this is the reason why many people thinking about Bitcoin, which has a hard cap. It cannot be more than 21 million in the future, and that will be year 2140, something like that. So yes, well, just think about it. But definitely, crypto is risky. You should be aware of it. But if you just simply, I'm not saying keep it in crypto. I obviously wouldn't give any financial advice, but just think about it. If you have fiat, which is good in short term, it's good when actually the market is bearish and you can actually invest. But at the end of the day, you have to invest in something which holds its value better than your fiat money. Right, that's it, guys, for today. Don't forget, every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you won't miss any important thing, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, subscribe button all, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Every day you're getting videos, short videos, long videos, a couple of videos every day. So it's worth to join, and then see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.